So, okay, so hi everyone. My name is After. Today we're going to learn how to make an exit button. So, how do we make it? I'll tell you how. So, this is easy for you. How we do it: import Kiddos-AK. For the ones that don't know how to make this, you can watch my video about how to make a button. Okay?
Hi.
And say hi to my brother who's over here. Right?
Hi.
Say hi to him. And say
Hi.
Yeah, he said hi. But you guys say hi. Okay? So anyways, what we do is all we're gonna do is that window equals to tk.tk. Okay? Then after that, window.title button. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Then window geometry 640x 430. Window.config
Guys,
bg equals to silver. Okay? After that, what we do is button button. Button. I meant to say button. tk dot button, and that's the trick. That's how you do it. Now, button dot pack pad y equals 10. Pay equals 10. Pad y equals 10.
table.
Window dot main loop and let's check. Yeah, that's it. Oh, what did I write here?
Geometry dash.
So guys, he meant to say geometry, not geometry dash. Okay, guys. So guys, as you can see, yeah, see, if we exit, done. That's so easy, right, guys? Okay. So thank everyone for listening about how to make an exit button. Feel free if you have any questions in the comments. I hope you like it, and bye.